Welcome to our deep dive review and hack guide, where we pit the Ninja SLUSHi 2026 against the Ninja Creami Deluxe. We will analyze how these two very different machines stack up, especially when making drinks. The core difference lies in their operating technology. The SLUSHi uses continuous freezing with a RapidChill compressor to freeze liquid directly, while the Creami uses friction churning, where the Creamify blade shaves and churns pre-frozen solid ice blocks. Prep time is a major differentiator. The SLUSHi requires zero advanced prep and is ready in 15 to 60 minutes. The Creami requires 24 hours of pre-freezing, although processing only takes 2 to 3 minutes. Regarding capacity, the SLUSHi offers a massive 64 ounces effective volume, yielding 7+ servings, and is perfect for parties. The Creami is limited to 24 ounces deluxe pints, yielding only 2 to 3 servings per pint. The SLUSHi offers 5 drink presets, strictly for drinkable liquids like slush, fraps, and frozen cocktails. The Creami is a highly versatile 10-in-1 dessert maker, excelling at scoopable desserts like ice cream and gelato. The SLUSHi produces a dense, commercial-grade slush with zero liquid separation and a highly consistent texture. The Creami creates a more aerated texture, is prone to liquid separation, and often requires respins. Ingredient restrictions are key. The SLUSHi requires a minimum of 6% sugar to prevent freezing solid. The Creami easily handles zero sugar recipes and is highly forgiving for dietary restrictions. In the soda slush test, the SLUSHi created perfect movie theater quality slush in 35 minutes that holds at temp for 12 hours. The Creami produced a sorbet compromise that must be consumed immediately. For milkshakes, the SLUSHi replicated the fast food frosty texture. The Creami is the traditional shake master, unrivaled for heavy dairy-based recipes and easier to incorporate mix-ins like cookies. When making spiked drinks, the SLUSHi froze rosé in just 14 minutes, maintaining a slush texture without melting, and can serve a whole party. The Creami is limited to small batches and is not ideal for continuous serving. In terms of footprint, the SLUSHi is bulky and heavy but remarkably quiet during operation. The Creami is slimmer and lighter but is extremely loud, sounding like a high-speed blender. For cleaning, the SLUSHi has a built-in 4-minute rinse cycle and dishwasher-safe parts, but the cooling cylinder must be hand-wiped. The Creami has an extremely fast cleanup with only 3 small parts, and pints are dishwasher-safe. Here are some hidden flaws and hacks. For this SLUSHi, use an electric water flosser to blast grime trapped in the inner vessel lip. For the Creami, ensure a perfectly flat freezer shelf to prevent bending the drive shaft, and let pints sit for 10 minutes at room temp before spinning. The SLUSHi is a niche, single-purpose appliance, priced at $299 for the standard model. The Creami is a highly versatile 10-in-1 dessert maker for $249, replacing ice cream makers and blenders. Our final verdict: the SLUSHi is the ultimate party machine, best for hosts, families, and those who want zero prep time and authentic slush. The Creami is the personal dessert chef, perfect for zero-sugar diets, ice cream, and those who value kitchen versatility.